welcome back to my channel. This is a very special day, or night I should say, because it is housing day eve. Basically, it is the night before all of the freshmen find out what upperclassmen house they're going to be in for the next 3 years. And there are 12 houses, and you don't want to get 3 of them because they're in the quad, which is like really far away from campus, so it's called like being quadded. So my friends and I don't want to get quadded. We're praying to get a river house, which is like on the Charles River, and it's a lot closer to campus. Housing day is this huge celebration. All of the people like from the houses and upperclassmen like start partying really early in the morning, and they're all out like in the middle of the yard like chanting. Everyone's like in gear, there's mascots, like people are dressed up, they have paint on, they're in underwear. It's like kind of funny. There's flags everywhere, and there's like a lot of house pride. And then what happens is they dorm storm, so they run into all the freshman dorms and they basically like storm the dorms and let you know like what house you're in. So you'll hear like chants. A lot of the houses will chant the names of like the quad houses or like other houses to trick people, but then they'll really end up being them. So we're super excited. Me and my friends are blocking together, which basically means that you decide that you want to live in the same house. So there's 5 of us in total. We're all sleeping over at my friend's dorm tonight, and we're gonna wake up really early because they storm your dorm from 8:30 to 9:30. Hello, come join. I'm explaining. This is Aspen. You've seen her before. I'm explaining. I was just saying like about blocking, and basically how tomorrow morning between 8:30 and 9:30 people are gonna come. This is Aspen's room, by the way, which is why it's different setup.
We're really stressed.
We're so stressed. We're so stressed, but you know what? We're gonna have a wholesome night in. And all right, we'll play that game where we're basically gonna spin each other around and play like pin the tail on the donkey, but pin the something. It might be a rubber duck on the house to determine like what house we get. So we're nervous, we're excited, and we will see you tomorrow. Here's our little pin the what are we pinning actually on the houses? Pin the person. Oh, we need a person. We need pin the blocking group on the house.
Oh man, I don't Post-it note?
Pin the something. Sour Patch.
We can make something.
Yes.
Print something out.
Ready?
Yes.
Go.
Okay. Cabot.
Leverett.
Starting over.
Okay, ready?
Cabot, Leverett, Adams, Mather, Lowell, Winthrop,
Yes.
Courier, Dunster, Boho, Kirkland, Quincy, Lowell. Okay.
No,
Elliot.
you like flew. All right. Wait. Okay. Oh my god, let me see if I can do it.
Okay.
Elliot, Quincy, Kirkland, Foho, Dunster, Courier, Winthrop, Lowell, Mather, Adams, Leverett, Cabot. Woo! 3, go. Spin.
Do you still have the dock in your hand?
Yes. Okay, rubber ducky.
Okay, you do it good.
She has no idea what the configuration is.
Tell me which way to go though.
Just point her and then spin her again.
I'm so lost.
Okay.
Wait. Turn my way real quick. Stop. Wait.
Oh yeah, blindfold. There we go.
Oh my god.
You know exactly what.
Perfect.
Yeah,
Okay, ready, go.
Okay, I feel like I haven't spun
Pin.
Okay, so now.
anywhere here.
Yes, go.
I'm gonna
Just
tell
pin
you,
it.
Up here is your highest. Down here is your lowest. And I'll give you your side parameters too. So low, high,
Yeah.
side, other side. Okay. You missed. Okay, I'll try again.
Wait, but it's the closest.
Oh, that works.
We got Elliot.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Except
Open spin.
I'm spinning. Okay.
Your way.
She's okay. Okay.
Or are you mixing some of them up? Okay.
She's mixing some of them up. Keep going for a little second. It's alright.
This blindfold is not on correctly.
Yeah, it's gonna take a minute.
Do I look okay? Where's the camera?
It's right here. Yes, you look gorgeous, my dear.
Yes, slay my life.
You guys should follow me on Instagram.
Oh my.
At Audrey Delgard. I'm pretty good.
I will include all of their ads. My blocking group.
Okay, are we ready?
Okay.
All right, and go.
Go. This way. Oh, okay, wait, so let me get your parameters.
Oh, geez.
Okay, this is lowest.
That's your
That's
95%
highest.
confidence interval.
This is right. This is left.
Those are your
Go ahead.
And stick.
What is that?
Boho.
Really, Audrey? Really, you added to the quad?
sustenance for tonight. Praying this gets me through.
Good morning, guys. It's about 7 a.m. and we just woke up. And we're so tired, but excited and really, really nervous. And you can hear everyone's screams and shouts from outside. I'm already getting so nervous. I forgot my leggings, so I'm never going to go back to my room and put those on. And then just get ready. And I have a little bit of work to finish up before my classes today. So that's going to be fun. And then we're going to wait. Oh my god, the fish. They're all slowly gathering. More people. Oh my goodness, you guys. I look so tired. Wow. Okay. You know what? I look like I'm gonna cry or like pass out, which is probably both are gonna happen. Honestly, I have a presentation today and like a response paper due. Haven't studied for / done both, so this is gonna be interesting. I'm on my way to Starbucks now to pick up coffee for me and a friend because we really need it. My friend who is not a coffee drinker, never drinks coffee, Aspen, was like, Sienna, I need coffee this morning. Like, we had a night. What house do you want?
You know, I got followed by the Foho Instagram account last night.
Yeah.
So that's a sign.
That's a sign.
I want Mather.
Oh yeah, Mather would be great.
Or Lowell.
Oh my goodness.
What do you want?
Winthrop or Lowell?
Yeah, those are good choices.
Okay, I have to go run and put in pants. Oh my goodness.
Oh wow. Okay.
Lowell! Wait, this is so exciting. Okay, there goes, I don't know who that is. People are going in every direction. Oh my goodness.
Alright, let's go!
Our mascot's a polar bear. Honestly, it was really cute. Really, they all came running into our room.
Nobody cried.
We didn't cry. I feel we didn't cry.
Yet.
We haven't. Well, it might. I'm just sleep deprived. It might happen.
No, but honestly, it's gonna be fun.
I think it's gonna be okay.
I thought we had a river.
I know, girls. Like we literally did river run.
We sacrificed to the river gods.
They came in the room and I was like, Lowell!
We thought it was Lowell, and then we were so upset when we were like, and we all just like kind of stood there, we were just like, ah, like kind of jumping really like, oh, it's gonna be okay. It's okay. Polar bear's the mascot. It's really cute. They have a great community. I know a lot of people in there. 2 of my roommates also got quadded, so we can always transfer if we need to, but like,
We're not gonna transfer.
I don't know. It's like the PF, the family. We're a family now.
With a PH.
With a PH. That's gonna get old so quickly. All right, let's go to Berg and get some swag and get hype. Thank you. All right, do we come around? All right. Oh my God, look at you. Boho! Ah! Thank you. Oh, this is so cute. Yeah. Thank you. Oh my God, wait, that's so cute.
What size are you?
Like a small?
Small.
Hey, this is so cute. We got a little polar bear. Dude, I'm excited.
Are you guys in Boho?
Yeah, Boho. Thank you.
I'll high five you. I don't want you to break your computer. Congratulations on the
Oh, cool. So cool. Thank you. I'm Sienna. On it. Yeah, like it's It's so cute. Yes. Adorable. Yes.
I'm very proud of
Already repping.
Charm. She's so cute.